guys, thank you so much for watching. I do apologize for the lighting. The lighting in my room right now isn't that great, and this is all I have. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to make do with this. I am going to do a really quick wig review. So I got this wig off of Amazon, and I actually really like it. The company is called, let me see, it looks like Dorosy. This is the emblem here. Yep, dorosy. And this is the information on the back here. I don't know if y'all can even see this, but I will post it in the description if you're interested. So it came in this box here. It came with a little gift. So a pair of earrings. I might wear these, I might not. I don't really wear jewelry too often. And it came with a hairnet wig cap. So this is what I'm going to use to try this wig on today. I hope you guys can even see this. It's really dark in my room, I do apologize. But once I get off of work, it's pretty late. And like I said, I don't have the studio lights and everything. So this is the curl pattern. So I mean, it's like every other curly wig that I've ever owned pretty much. The quality of it is really soft. So that's exciting. Alright, put the cap on. My hair is still pretty wet. I just washed and conditioned it. Alright, and here's the wig. The construction of it. There's a wig cap here in the back. Wow, what? There's a wig comb here in the back. And there are two on the sides as well. It is a lace front. So all of this here is lace, and there's lace on the sides. Alright, so let me put her on. Okay, so it's pretty comfortable. I'd say my head is on the larger side, and this fits me fine. It's not too tight. And this is it. And I might actually go into my bathroom because I think it has better lighting in there, so let me try that. Okay, yeah, so my bathroom lighting is a little bit better. So this is the wig. This is the hairline. Pretty good, actually. Since I never wear my wigs like up anyways, I really don't care. But yeah, it's a little thick. But right here is pretty good. I mean, a little more plucking and this should be fine. It's really short. I got the, what was this, 10 inches or 8 inches? I'm gonna have to look at my order. Alright, so I got 8 inches with 150% density, and it was a lace front wig. The price was $86.30, but I had a $5 coupon, so it turned out to be $81.30. Alright, and I'm gonna turn around and give you guys what it looks like in the back. And this is such a janky filming process, but I gotta work with what I have. So what I'm going to do is cut off the lace and then actually style it the way that I'm going to wear it. Before I put this back on, I'm going to show you guys the inside of this again. So like I said, this part is the lace part. So it's on the sides, and then you can do a deep part in the middle. There's a little bit of lace in the back. I don't really know why. I'm not going to put this in a ponytail. 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. some product in it and change the part up a little bit. I actually really like this. I'm in like the short hair mode at this time, so this works perfectly for me, and I can wear it to work and I shouldn't have any problems. I hate having long hair at work because it's just like, it's just too much. So for work, I'm a short hair queen. And I'm trying to talk really quiet because the other side of this wall is my neighbor's house, so I don't want them to like, I don't want to be too loud. But yeah, this is a really cute curl pattern. And again, I do apologize for the lighting. But I hope you liked this video. I'm going to link this wig down below for you if you are interested. Alright guys, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. I'll talk to you later. Bye.